I'm gonna do a review on the SkullCandy original Hesh headphones. They're pretty good headphones. Only it's not a detachable cord. They do not bend in or anything. The problem with them is that this right here comes off a lot, and they have good bass and everything. They're a lot cheaper than Beats. Beats are way overly priced. These work pretty good. I mean, they have good bass. They sound good with any type of music that I've listened to: country, dubstep, rap, rock, screamo, anything like that. Fall in reverse, stuff like that. It's not detachable cord. Some of them may be the newer ones, but I'm gonna do it at 50% and then 100%. So much. Okay, now I'm gonna do it at 100%. Okay. It has the play and pause button. It has a speaker microphone if you want to talk on your cell phone or anything. It goes in the phone very well. But thank you. Subscribe and comment and tell me if it helps you at all.